In this video, we'll try to cover what is decomposition and types of decomposition. First of all, let's start with the decomposition. What is decomposition? Process of breaking down given relation into the two or more relations. That means we are splitting the relations here, splitting the tables here. Relation R is replaced by two or more relation in such a way that each new relation contain a subset of attribute R. Together they all include all tuples and attribute of R. The types of decompositions are divided into the two types. First is lossy decomposition and second will be the lossless decomposition, also called non-loss decomposition. Let's start with the first, lossy decomposition. The decomposition of relation R into R1 and R2 is lossy when the join of R1 and R2 does not yield the same relation as in the R. We'll see the example of this lossy decomposition in the next slide. But as per the definition, if we will split the table and if we will try to rejoin all the splitted table, the result should be same. This is also referred as a lossy join decomposition. What will be the disadvantage of such kind of decomposition is the some information is lost during retrieval of original relation. From practical point of view, decomposition should not be lossy decomposition. As we know that decomposition, lossy decomposition, if we will split the table and we will apply the join on this, again the data will be somewhat different other than the, either it may be some extra data or some less data compared to the actual data. So it is called lossy decomposition. Let's try to understand with the example. One schema is given with the account number, balance and branch name. If we try to split the table, account number and balance and account number and balance and branch name. If we will perform join on this after decomposition of this into two tables, if we will perform the join on this, we will get the following data. So the actual data was with the two columns, and after joining, after decomposition done the join, we get this data. So both the data are not same. These are some extra records we will get here. So this type of example is called lossy decomposition. The next is lossless decomposition. The decomposition of relation R into R1 and R2 is lossless when join of R1 and R2 produce the same relation as in R. It is also called non-additive, non-less decomposition. All decomposition must be lossless. See the example of this. If we have performed the same thing, we have decomposed the above table in such a way that account number and balance, account number and branch name. If we will perform the join on both the table again, we will get the same data which we have already given as a before the decomposition. Same as original table, no extra records will found, right? That is called lossless decomposition. We have not lost any data or we didn't get any extra data. We got the same data which we have given before the decomposition. So this is called lossless decomposition. Thank you.